Want a stunning cinematic color gel look? I'll show you how with Gemini AI in just 60 seconds. Start with the original, flat tones, neutral lighting. Swipe to the after, rich color gels, cinematic contrast. Import your photo into Gemini AI. Choose the color gel preset to start the transformation. Preview the LUT quickly to see the mood shift. This gives you the fast cinematic baseline. Add cinematic letterbox bars now to frame the shot and sell the widescreen look. Now that baseline is set, let's dial the settings step by step for a polished cinematic result. Step 1. Boost exposure slightly to plus 0.15 and increase contrast to plus 20 for punchy mids and highlights. Step 2. Choose gel hue, set teal for shadows around 210 degrees, warm orange for highlights around 30 degrees, saturation about plus 35. Step 3. Set blend mode to overlay and reduce strength to around 60% so gels integrate naturally. Fine-tune shadows and highlights, shadows minus 12, highlights minus 8, and add a touch of film grain at 8 for texture. Preview the quick LUT again and tap apply. The LUT unifies tones and speeds up final grading. Final reveal, before to after wipe, letterbox, gels, grain, and LUT, cinematic. Try these exact settings in Gemini AI and export in high quality.